This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, I was texting with our CSI, and as I'm texting with CSI, we're talking about the market and how the situation is getting really volatile. And I told CSI, I said, yo, I don't see Citadel lasting beyond 2026. And CSI tells me, no, Citadel might not last for the next 2 weeks. And I'm like, that fast? Bottom line is this. After I'm texting CSI, I go and check my account. Now, this account been down, too much over the last couple of weeks. Too much. I mean, it's the worst this account has been in the last 12 months. Okay? Probably longer than that. The point is this. When I looked at the account, it had spiked up at 10:52 in the morning to $143,000. I'm going to tell y'all guys something. You know what this tells me? This tells me for a brief moment, these bad actors lost control of the shorting, the manipulation, and the algos, and the market started doing what it should normally do. They have our AMC, our GME, and a whole lot of other stocks suppressed through naked shorting and manipulation. And the SEC knows, the DOJ knows, the FBI knows, and they do absolutely nothing about it. Why do you think my account, this account, spiked up to $143,000 at 10:52 a.m.? Because for a minute, they lost control, and this is just, in my opinion, a sign of what's to come. Okay? This is a sign of what's to come. These bad actors have been naked shorting AMC, GME, MULN, Lucid, NWBO, and MMTLP for the longest time. And because the market is crashing, they are getting margin called. And once they don't have that liquidity, they don't have the collateral, they're going to be forced to start closing out their counterfeit short positions and the real short positions, and it's going to get out of control. I believe this 143,000 is just the beginning, because I believe AMC is going to run. I believe GME is going to run. I believe MUL is going to run. I believe NWO is going to run. I believe Lucid is going to run, because those stocks are being heavily manipulated by these bad actors. And like I've told you guys many times before, I don't think we have to do anything. I think we could just sit back and relax and watch the whole thing unfold in front of us. They have been robbing and stealing for the last 5 years. Well, longer than that. But since we've been paying attention for the last 5 years, with the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI practicing willful blindness. And guess what? It is coming to an end. Okay? It is coming to an end. The market is crashing, and not just the U.S. market, the global market is crashing, which means they won't be able to use overseas bonds and securities as collateral, because they don't have any value either. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Why do you think my account spiked up to $143,000 in less than a minute at 10:52 a.m.? Do you think they lost control for a second? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.